Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to fix iPhone camera not working. So there's a few ways to do it. Follow me until the end to see. So first, when your iPhone camera not working, first thing you wanna go to is your setting. Go to your setting and then scroll down, go to general and then go to update. So if you are not updated to the newest iOS, do it and check it if it's working. If it's still not working, we have the second way for you. So you go to your camera, still not working, then you exit it. Yes, you're gonna close the app and then try to open it again. If it's still not working, you can go and restart your iPhone to see if it can be working afterward, because sometimes it's about the software. If it still doesn't work for you, then we have another way, that you go to setting and then go to accessibility, go to voiceover, try to turn your voiceover off, and let's see if it's working now. If it's still not working, maybe it's a hardware problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.